Jai Hind दोस्तों. Today I wanted to talk about my Java Perak. So it's been around 3 weeks that I have been driving this bike. I didn't find any challenges right now with the bike. So you can see my bike. I have driven around uh, 350 kilometers till now. Because of lockdown, I can't go beyond that right now. But whatever I have driven, I've enjoyed it a lot. So, so to talk about it, uh, to talk about my Java Perak, I wanted to tell you that this bike has been performing very well. Though I had one problem uh, that I wanted to talk about. So what was the problem? The to give you a brief idea, my tank has been replaced by Java. The bike tank has been replaced. Um, so you guys will need to know or want to know why it has happened, because it's just 3 weeks old, and within 2 weeks why the Java Perak tank has been replaced. So to talk about it, um, when I got my bike, uh, there was no problem at all. I got my bike on 22nd of August, and that was Ganpati, and then on 31st of August, when I was cleaning the tank, the Perak, the emblem, the Perak emblem, R out of it came out completely, and this was basically because it was a sticker, and that was the reason it came out completely. So what I did was, I didn't go to social media putting images and saying, "Hey, this is the problem." I called my dealer. My dealer was very helpful. I want to thank Arab Jabba about it. I told them the issue, and that is that the Perak logo has come off, and it was looking very weird. You can check in my videos. The third video, you can see that the R is not there in the bike. When I am using a 360-degree video, you can see that. So what we did is basically, my dealer asked me to put an email to the service center, and I did the same. So it's out here. You can see the email ID. I did ensure that I give them images of the tank, and once I did that, I was able to highlight the issue. I got a reversal within a day. So I emailed them on Tuesday, that was 31st, and then probably on on um, on a Saturday, which was probably second of September or 3rd of September probably, I got a call from my dealer. They told, "Can you bring your bike to the service center, because we got a we have to replace your tank." So I was a bit surprised why they want to replace my tank. So they told me that since the sticker has came out, we felt like the Java team has thought that it's better that we replace the tank, because the latest tanks and the latest bikes that are coming in now has a different kind of an emblem in the tank itself, which will not come off. And that is the reason what they did is, they took my bike to the service center. I took my bike to the service center, and then they replaced the tank. It took me an hour or so to do this process. So I reached there on a Sunday, last Sunday, at around 1 p.m. I reached there, and then probably within 2:30 my bike was ready. They washed it and all. They took very good care of it, and then they replaced the tank very carefully. They ensured that everything that is supposed to be fixed are fixed properly. So there are a lot of sensors out here and stuff. So they ensured that everything is fixed properly, and then they replaced the tank, and then the issue is resolved now. So right now I have a new tank on my Java Perak, and this is probably the first Perak bike which has replaced this tank within 3 weeks. But I'm really thankful to Java team and Arab Java that because of this small issue, they have ensured that customer satisfaction is more for them, and that's the reason they have ensured that they replace the tank for it. And I'm really thankful to Arab Java as well as Java team for doing such an effort. Thank you very much.